How to add effects on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add effects on Instagram story. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on your story, which can be seen at the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the section, now here you can either tap on white capture button to take photo, or you can even select the photo or video from your gallery as well. And now here, once you're done selecting the media for your story, what you can do is you can just swipe left or right to browse more effects, and there you can also tap on the downward arrow which can be seen in the right side of the screen, and from there you can simply select effects and search for it as well if you like. And once you're done with it, then you can just tap on check icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen to apply the effects to your media. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on the arrow icon to share your story. And that's it. That's how you can add effects on Instagram story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.